Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So one of the most important tools you can have in your garage is a wire wheel. There's a million uses for this thing. I like to use it to clean out the threads and bolts that I'm working on vehicles. But if you have like a rusty tool, like this set of pliers that I have, you can use it to get the scale, like off of your tools, like off of a wrench or a plier or something like that. But it might not take the rust like completely out of the metal because it's kind of in there, but it'll get it smooth again and it'll descale it. So I'm going to take a quick video and I'm going to get all the rust off of this set of pair of pliers and I'll show you what it does. So before you begin doing this, make sure you have a pair of safety glasses and you wear those because these little bristles on the wire wheel can fly off and they can hit you in the face and stuff like that. So you don't want to catch one of those in your eye, definitely. And you can buy one of these wire wheel like grinder setups pretty much anywhere. Like Harbor Freight has them. This is a kind of an old Black & Decker one. I scored it from my father's house. He's cleaning out his garage. And basically, if you just look around at those kind of places that sell tools and stuff like that, you should be able to find one. So here is a close-up of the way the set of pliers looks right now. There's a lot of rust on it, and it's all like pitted and it's rough, and it was hard to open them. I sprayed them with some penetrating oil, got them to free up. So I want to clean these up so I can put them back in the toolbox. They look halfway decent, and all the scale is removed and they're nice and smooth again. So what you want to do is kind of work whatever you're cleaning back and forth a little bit. You don't need to press down hard on it at all. The nice thing about the wire wheel is you can kind of get into crevices and things like that. You can go right up against this nut and it's not going to harm it. What you could do too is if you had like a polishing wheel on the other side, after your wire wheel, you could buff it out with that, and whatever you were getting the rust off, it would come out probably a lot shinier. But right now, for me, just kind of worried about getting the scale off it more than anything. I left these outside in the rain and kind of forgot about them when I was working on something. So I gotta get in there, but you can do that with the wire wheel. You can so you clean that up really nice. There's some rust right there. Just getting it all out of there. You can go right up against things like this. It's easy, so we're getting all this all cleaned up. There's a spot right here. Let's hit that. These pliers are kind of old. I mean, they have a few war wounds on them. So they're not going to clean up 100% right. So you just get all that out of there. The rust is completely gone right there. We're going to hit that right there too. So that's gone. Let's see if we can clean this up a little bit more. What it will do too is it'll make like something like these pliers have a few moving parts. It'll work a lot easier. I'm gonna hit the teeth in here. You can see they're a lot cleaner. So let's go onto the other side. That looks like that. So let's clean this all up. It's looking pretty good right now. So I'm going to get some of the bits on the inside. Do the outsides again. Some spots might be a little more stubborn than others. And depending how deep that rust goes, you know, it might not all come out, but you can get a majority of it out of there. Seems to clean it up pretty good. And it freed them up a lot too, so you get a lot of the rust out of the working parts, and they operate a lot more smooth. Yeah, so if you happen to have one of these wire wheels kicking around and you have a rusty tool like the set of pliers that I just showed you how to clean up, it'll free up your tool. You know, it'll get all the pinning off it for you. And these are pretty bad. These were out there for a while. Yeah, I had forgotten about them. I found them out there after like a month. So the rust is pretty deep, but they're smooth again. Like all the scale is off and they work perfectly fine. I can throw a little bit of oil on them for light coating, wipe it down with the rag and throw it back in your toolbox. And you know, if you have a wrench or something like that you know, you might have left out and it's all pitted up, you can clean it up on your wire wheel. And hope this tip kind of helps some of you guys out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You know, we've got a lot of great stuff. And give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Take it easy, guys. Thanks for tuning in.